Hi, I'm Rieley. This is Tiger Talk, and who am I here with?
Mar.
So Tiger Talk is a mentor program kind of podcast. So I'm just gonna ask you a couple questions on like what advice you wanted to know. What is something you wish you knew as a freshman and why?
Something I knew as a freshman, I wish I knew as a freshman, probably would be like to ask for help. Because I didn't do enough of that as a freshman. I actually didn't learn that until my junior year. I just kind of like did things on my own, never reached out or anything. And it made high school that much harder. So,
What would you say to your 8th grade self going into high school? Now that it's your last year, and why? Sorry.
I would probably tell my 8th grade self to take a chill pill. That everything is going to be okay. I had a lot of anxiety because that was our first year coming back from COVID.
Mm.
So I had a lot of anxiety, like social anxiety, academic anxiety. Like I just was all over the place. So I really wish I could look at my 8th grade self and be like, calm down. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
What is your ideal way of getting homework done but still having fun and being organized?
The ALC. 110% the ALC. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm not really organized, but I leave all my stuff in the ALC so I don't forget about it.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Do you think popularity is actually important, and why?
Absolutely not. Popularity is not important. No one cares. At least I have met a good handful of seniors that don't care. It really matters if you're a good person or not. Because when you get out into the real world, no one cares if you were popular in high school or not. They care about how you are as a person. So it's just not worth it.
Do you think the 4 years go by fast, in your opinion?
Yeah. I definitely feel like when you're living them in the moment, you're dreading certain things, you think they go really slow, but I would definitely take advantage of your 4 years in high school because the time does fly. Like, now that I'm a senior and I'm looking back, like, I feel like I just got here yesterday, and I obviously didn't.
What / who has been the most helpful in high school, and why?
What has been most helpful? The ALC. Definitely. I didn't start going to the ALC until the end of my sophomore year. I think that was when I realized that asking for help was like something I had to do. And then who? It's a good question. Mr. Lardy, Miss Burns for sure. Miss Salem gets a shout out too. She's been very helpful this year with chemistry. I've hit a lot of my teachers actually. I could go on about a lot of them, but they've all been really helpful. All your teachers are very understanding.
What is one thing you regret in high school?
One thing I regret in high school is nothing actually. I actually don't regret anything. I do my best to live my life like that. I think it's a good, mentality to have to not regret everything or some things, because I feel like regret just keeps you living in the past and you gotta keep moving forward. If I could redo my high school experience, I don't think I would change anything. It's all part of the mom lore, character development.
What is one piece of advice you would give to 8th graders coming into high school?
You are going to be okay. You will be 110% fine. High school is not as scary as you think it is. You will definitely grow up and mature quickly, because if you don't, you will learn the hard way. But high school is not as scary as you think it is. You just gotta lock in.
I can agree with that statement.
Yeah.
Alrighty, that has been Tiger Talk. Thank you for watching. Yet again, I'm Rieley, and this is
Mar.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next episode of Tiger Talk.